Couple weeks ago, I was trying Shopify dropshipping using the free materials on YouTube as well as some paid courses, and after a few good days, we pretty much weren't able to make too much money after a certain point. And so that's why I wanted to go ahead and try Andrew Tate's course called Hustlers University. This course is endorsed by one of the most polarizing and famous and successful individuals on the internet right now, Andrew Tate. And after paying a $50 fee, we went into the Discord, which is where the course is hosted. And after looking for the dropshipping section, we were given an unlisted YouTube video to watch that would teach us how to make a ton of cash from dropshipping. This particular video was supposed to show us how to find the perfect winning product to sell and make money from. And in dropshipping, this is easily one of the most important parts to success. A great winning product will sell itself and literally leads to big sales, meaning you're able to make some cash money. And not to forget that I needed the store to work because I had been failing a ton of stores and I didn't want to fail anymore. But after watching this section of the course, I used Andrew Tate's criterion to find a great winning product on some supplier websites like AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. And then after searching for good products on those sites using Andrew Tate's criterion, we eventually settled on deciding to sell this exact product because it pretty much fits into exactly the criteria that Andrew Tate was looking for. Now the next step was trying to build a great store or website to house our product inside of. And so we watched another unlisted YouTube video basically detailing everything we should do when it comes to the store building section of the course, and for that we basically built this store. Again, I feel like this store is a pretty decent store, very basic compared to other stores that I've built in the past to make money dropshipping. Yeah, the store has some basic features that should lead to conversions, but honestly, in my humble opinion, it definitely will not lead to anything too hectic that will make us millionaires or even able to afford a Bugatti. But now we had found a great product to sell and built a decent website that would make us money according to the top G himself and his course Hustlers University. Now it's time to move on into the other section of the course that would further add the amount of money that we would make: Facebook advertising. This is the worst part of an e-commerce business for some people because it's the part where you have to spend money to hopefully make money. The money initially invested isn't guaranteed to lead into any sales. So what did I do to combat this problem of not failing with Facebook advertising? Well, I went ahead and watched this module on Facebook advertising twice, and every time wrote down any notes that I felt I should remember when trying out Facebook advertising, because I know that this is the part of the process where most individuals who try to make it fail and go wrong. So I put down $200 that I thought I could spend on Facebook that would lead to some sales back. And so yeah, I followed the ad strategy for the course pretty aggressively, copying how they create the advert that was shown to the customer, as well as copying exactly how to advertise the exact advertisement. We did this for a couple of days to hopefully be able to see a pure profit, and we did. Well, kind of. On day one of the challenge, we spent about $100 and we were able to send about 300 people to the website with that $100, and we got back about $0 in sales using Facebook. And I wanted to give up because $100 is a pretty decent sum of cash, and to get nothing back, no data, nothing, is not good. And I'm not the top G and I don't have $100 just ready to be wasted. But on day two, I decided I'd give it another chance, and so I spent another $100 and got an even more impressive 400 people to the website. And this time we didn't get 0 people, but we did get back about 1 order and 1 sale. So yeah, we definitely weren't profitable and weren't in the green. Now with this, I wanted to give up, and so I kind of did. I started watching Andrew Tate content and basically gave up on this dropshipping journey. So I started to go into Discord, and I was scrolling, and once I went into the wins chat, I basically saw one too many people posting about their Shopify dropshipping success, how they were making thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and how they were all doing it at a relatively young age. All of this was making me feel like I was a bit of a weirdo for only being able to make 1 sale while there were people making thousands. So I decided to not give up on the Shopify thing using Hustlers University and to actually give it another shot. But this time I was going to try and add another $200 to the budget, and then hopefully that this would lead to more sales, because this time, unlike last time where I literally only got visitors and people add products to their cart. So for day 3, we spent another $200, this time using the exact strategies that the course was talking about when it came to the marketing section of Facebook, because I wanted to see if it was actually possible to get a $50 course and make hundreds of thousands of dollars and possibly afford a Bugatti. On this day, I was hoping something had changed because we had more data to learn from, and hopefully we have different results because we had a little bit more data and more money. I decided to copy the course as perfectly as possible and also carry on checking out the Discord every couple of hours, asking questions, looking at people, and basically that's when I figured out something. Andrew Tate doesn't actually do dropshipping, but instead does affiliate marketing, and that there's a way to do both into one. basically using an app called UpPromote that someone was talking about on the Discord server, where instead of promoting your products on Facebook, you pay someone an affiliate commission so that they can promote your product for you, and they get a percentage of every single one of the sales. After hearing about this app called UpPromote that could basically do this, I went ahead, emailed them, and they gave me a 3-month free trial if all I did was mention them in this video right here. So basically, UpPromote is the #1 affiliate marketing app on the Shopify App Store. With its all-in-one solution, you can easily build, manage, and succeed with your marketing campaign. UpPromote is serving more than 60,000 users globally with $375 million generated, and UpPromote is suitable for all business sizes, with the price ranging from free to $140 per month. Furthermore, UpPromote implements customization upon request for enterprise customers. So these are the key highlights for UpPromote. It's basically really easy to use, simple to set up. I mean, the quick onboarding process and guideline systems will help you understand basically about how things work. They have an automated process, and automated functions can help to save time, such as auto-generated affiliate links, coupons, auto-approve affiliates, and referrals. They have a dedicated assistance, 24/7 world-class support with live chat and detailed documents and video instructions. They also have a really comprehensive solution. You're able to build your affiliate team, customize your affiliate registration form, create unlimited affiliate programs with different affiliate commission offers. They have advanced offers options to attract more ambassadors, product commission, auto-tier commission, commissions on order values. They also have a support to recruit your affiliate team. You can expand your affiliate team by free listing on the UpPromote marketplace. The highlight feature is the customer referral feature. This feature allows you to promote your products without the need of joining any affiliate program. When you use this feature, you can also set up rewards for both customers when they refer your products to their friends, and rewards for their friends when making purchase decisions. Also, you have the full ability to customize your widget design and the reward emails when enabling this feature. This is the latest feature from UpPromote, which is the comprehensive solution for building and maintaining your customer referral programs by leveraging the power of positive mouth while staying cost effective. You're also able to manage your affiliate campaign, track all referral orders, and manage your affiliate performance via multiple reliable tracking methods. The analytics page allows you to easily keep track of the affiliate program and assess the affiliate's performance with more details added to each page. They also have fraud protection to reduce the risks of affiliate fraud, referral scam that may cause loss to your business. And integrating with PayPal allows you to perform payment processes for your affiliate automatically within a few clicks. And that's all that you get with UpPromote. The link will be in the description because, I mean, why not? Okay, so after trying this out for 3 days, spending over $400 on Facebook advertising, how did we do? We definitely did not make a profit. We got 2 extra sales, and we were able to generate $120 in revenue after spending $400 on ads. So definitely not even close to a profit. Actually made a substantial loss. Would I suggest buying Hustlers University? Absolutely not, because it is absolutely the worst course I've ever seen on dropshipping ever. All the information you can find there, you can find on YouTube, and it will literally be 20 times better on YouTube. But I would buy Hustlers University if I was looking for like a mentorship program, because there is like a millionaire mentor inside Hustlers University who literally shows you and tells you step by step what to do and what not to do in dropshipping. So if that's what you were looking for, you have a $50 per month mentor, which is actually not even a bad deal if I'm being honest. But anyway, I'm done. Watch this video right here that literally shows you guys a much better experience I had dropshipping using someone else's course, and I actually made a lot of money doing it.